Hey everyone! In this video, I will walk you through how to connect GoQuick with your Shopify store. To begin, open your Shopify admin panel. From the left menu, click on Apps, then choose Shopify App Store. You can also open the App Store directly in your web browser if you prefer. Once the App Store loads, click on the search bar and type GoQuick. Look for the official GoQuick apps in the search results. Click on one to open the app page. On this page, you can read about the features, pricing, and reviews. Take a short moment to check if it matches your store's requirements. When you're ready, click the Install button. Shopify will now ask you to approve permissions. These allow GoQuick to work with your checkout and store settings. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm the installation. You may be asked to sign in again or verify your store details. After the setup is complete, GoQuick will be added to your Shopify dashboard. That is all you need to do to integrate GoQuick with Shopify. Thanks for watching.